Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss part 21 of the NEET PG important questions, and today we'll discuss about the topic cerebrum. So first try to answer the question by yourself first. Cerebrum occupies which cranial fossa? It occupies the anterior and the middle cranial fossa. Surface area of the cerebral surface is about 2250 to 2500 centimeter square. Cavity of the cerebrum is which ventricle? Lateral ventricle. Inferior surface of the cerebrum is divided into orbital and the tentorial surface by stem of the lateral sulcus. Central sulcus in cerebrum begins just posterior to midpoint of the supromedial border. Fifth lobe of the cerebral hemisphere is insula. What are the features of the insula? It consists of long and short gyri. It is separated by central sulcus of the insula into anterior part, that is a gyri brevi, and posterior part, that is a gyri longi. Lentiform nucleus lies deep to the insular cortex, which is the most medial gyrus on inferior surface of cerebrum. It is the parahippocampal gyrus. Lingual gyrus is posterior continuation of which gyrus? Of the parahippocampal gyrus. Cingulate, callosal, calcareous sulci. These sulci are present on which surface of the cerebrum? On the medial surface of the cerebrum. Orbital, occipitotemporal, and the olfactory sulci are present on which surface of the cerebrum? On the inferior surface of the cerebrum. Cerebral cortex forms how much mass of the brain? It forms 40% of the brain. Which cells are seen in the cerebral cortex? Pyramidal cells, granule cells, cells of the Martinotti, fusiform cells, basket cells, and the horizontal cells of the Kagin. Pyramidal cells forms how much of the cells in the cerebral cortex? It forms 2/3 of the cells in the cerebral cortex. What are the features of the pyramidal cells? They are tall and pyramidal in shape, of course. Okay, and the size of them is about 10 to 50 microns. What are Betz cells? Betz cells are large pyramidal cells and the size of them is about 120 microns. Betz cells are seen in motor cortex of the cerebrum. Axons of the pyramidal cells forms which fibers? They forms association, commissural, and the projection fibers. Archicortex of the cerebrum is seen in the hippocampal formation. Paleocortex of the cerebrum consists of how many layers and which lobes or areas are present? 3 to 5 layers are present over here, and it consists of olfactory lobe and the limbic lobe or the piriform lobe. Brodmann divided cerebral cortex into how many areas? Into total 52 areas. Neocortex of cerebrum consists of how many layers? It consists of 6 layers. And which are these 6 layers? As you can see over here, these are the molecular layer, external granular layer, external pyramidal cell layer, internal granular layer, internal pyramidal cell layer, and the multiform cell layer. So these are the 6 layers. The horizontal cells of Kagin are seen in which layer? They are seen in the molecular layer. External granular layer consists of which cells? It consists of granular or the stellate cells and the small pyramidal cells. Internal granular layer is also called as outer layer of the bell agar. Internal granular layer consists of densely packed granule cells. Internal granular layer is seen in primary sensory cortex. Internal ganglionic or the pyramidal layer is called internal layer of the bile agar. Internal ganglionic or the pyramidal layer consists of which cells? It consists of Betz cells and the cells of Martinotti. Internal ganglionic or pyramidal layer is seen in the motor cortex. Which layers of the granular cortex are well developed? So these are second and the fourth layer. Granular cortex is a sensory cortex and the efferents here comes from thalamus. External pyramidal layer consists of which cells? It consists of pyramidal, granular or stellate and the cells of Martinotti. Which layer of the agranular cortex is well developed? It is the fifth layer. Primary sensory area perceives which sensation? Pain, touch and the temporal sensation. Primary sensory area is located in the post-central gyrus area. 312 over here it is numbered rostral to caudal. Okay, we can write over here 1, 2 and 3, right? But why it is written like 3, 2, 1? Because it is numbered from rostral to caudal. Okay. Primary sensory area gets efferent from thalamus. Location of the somatosensory association area, it is the Brodmann's area 5 and 7 with superior parietal lobule on the lateral surface and precuneus on the medial surface. Brodmann's area for taste sensation, it is area 43. Area for taste is located in the inferior end of the post-central gyrus. Vestibular area is located in anterior end of the intraparietal sulcus and in the post-central gyrus. Sensory speech area of the vernix is located in dominant cerebral hemisphere in the posterior part of the superior temporal gyrus, and the area and the Brodmann's area over here is the 22. Sensory speech area of the vernix also functions as auditory association area. What is Broca's area? It is the motor speech area, area number 44. Broca's area is connected with vernix area by arcuate fasciculus. Damage to parietal lobe of cerebrum may cause what? Apraxia. What is the location of the primary visual area? It is area number 17 on the either side of the calcarine sulcus and on the medial aspect of the occipital lobe on the lingual gyrus and cuneus. Describe the line of Gennari. It gives striated appearance to the visual cortex and is present on the either sides of the calcarine sulcus and basically represents thickened outer band of the Ballarger. Brodmann's area for visual association is 18 and the 19 area. Visual association area connects with what? Frontal eye field and the pulvinar. Damage to visual association area leads to what? Visual agnosia. Heschel's gyrus is associated with primary auditory area. What is the location of the primary auditory area? It lies in the floor of the lateral sulcus, and over here the area included is the area 41 and 42. Primary auditory area receives efferents from medial geniculate body. Areas concerned with olfaction are Lyman insula, amygdaloid body, uncus and the entorhinal cortex. Location of primary motor area. It is located in the precentral gyrus and paracentral lobule, area 4. Primary motor area is predominance of pyramidal cells and scanty granular cells. Primary motor area contributes to how much of the pyramidal fibers? About 30%. Micturition center is located in which lobule? In the paracentral lobule. While the defecation center is located in which lobule? In the paracentral lobule. Same. So micturition in the paracentral and the defecation also in the paracentral lobule. Supplementary motor area location. It is located in the medial surface of the cerebral cortex, area 6. Damage to supplementary motor area leads to what? It leads to spastic paralysis and it does not cause permanent loss basically. Afferent to premotor area are from sensory areas of cerebral cortex, thalamus and the basal ganglion. Premotor area directs which area to execute skilled movements. Primary motor area. Premotor area controls postural movement through which ganglion? Through the basal ganglion. Premotor area corresponds to which Brodmann's area? Area 6. What is the location of frontal eye field? It is located in posterior part of the middle frontal gyrus, area 8. Frontal eye field controls what? It controls the conjugate scanning movement of the both eyes. What is the storehouse of all past experiences? It is a prefrontal cortex. Prefrontal cortex controls what? It controls behavior based on judgment and foresight. Brodmann's area for prefrontal cortex, it is the area 9, 10, 11 and the 12th. Location of motor speech area, it is located in the dominant hemisphere. That is the, which is the dominant hemisphere? It is the left hemisphere, right? So it is located in the left hemisphere, in pars triangularis and pars opercularis in the inferior frontal gyrus, area 44 and 45. Left cerebral hemisphere is responsible for what? For the mathematical calculations, speech and the analytical skills, while the right cerebral hemisphere is responsible for what? For musical awareness, spatial perception, imagination and insight. Visual association area is, it is the area 18 and 19. Which part of cerebral area recognizes toothache? Postcentral gyrus. Lesions of Uncus are associated with what kind of hallucinations? Olfactory hallucinations. So today up till here, we'll discuss about the further important notes and questions of further important topics in our next video. Thank you so much.